My name's Sophie.
My name's Kieran Hayden.
My name's Millie Cogan.
My name is Brooklyn.
My name is Cody Cashner.
My name is Killian Carroll.
My name is Isabella Anthony.
My name is Brooklyn.
My name is Giselle Roldan.
My name is Sean Grouse.
My name is Sasha Donnelly.
My name is Shayma.
I'm Gift eBay. I chose my granddad's MasterCard to contribute to the Rights Museum.
Rights Museum it's a participatory art project that Collapsing Horse led in the Larkin Community College.
The exhibition is an exhibition about children's rights and what those rights mean to those children. There are about 10 objects that have been chosen to represent those different rights. Those objects are on display along with labels which the children have written themselves, describing why they've chosen those objects and what right that represents.
How they've told their story in this exhibition is through objects that are precious to them.
When we were doing the Rights Museum project, we learned a lot of new rights that I didn't know happened, like right to clean water, leisure time, and I found out there was a right to privacy. So I tried to pick something that went along with that, and I picked my notebook.
Larkin Community College is a school in the northeast inner city, and it is a school in a community, in a beautiful community, but in a community that's struggling and a community that's been going through a very hard time. And schools reflect the trauma that a community experiences. It's so important that our children get to realise that all children are equal. So this message is really important for them. Our children's reactions when they come in here to see their photos, when they see their stuff mounted, they hardly believe it's themselves. It just gives a special significance to their work.
Through a series of workshops in Larkin, we looked at objects that were important to the students and we made connections between them and their rights.
I suppose what we're always trying to do is to raise children's awareness of their own rights. We thought by engaging children in a project like this and getting them to think about it themselves, you always learn much more when you have to do the work yourself.
A project like this, where, as you've seen up there, people brought their private diary or brought a MasterCard of a loved one or brought a necklace that came from their parents who are now separated. These are immensely important things, and it puts children's rights into a context that they will remember them.
We all imbue objects that are important to us with importance, and us, by allowing the children to discuss the stories that are associated with those objects, discuss what rights are related to them, and then display them in somewhere like the National Museum. It's a huge vote of confidence in young people. It's a way of listening to young people. It's a way of displaying and demonstrating their equal importance alongside precious china or guns that would have been used in 1916. Their objects, their stories are sitting alongside those in the Rights Museum.
And I brought in my homework journal.
I brought in this container of holy beads because it was my granddad's.
A candle that my nanny gave me.
The object that I picked was Victoria's Secret perfume.
It's my nanny's ring.
My object is a calculator.
My notebook.
I brought in this glass bowl.
And I brought in a badge.
I brought in boxing wraps.
It's a little bear with angel wings.
Gives you the right to education.
The right to your culture.
The right to have your own religion.
The right to family.
The right to express ourselves.
The right to education.
Right to education.
The right to play and rest.
The right to a caring family.
It's important to me because my nanny gave it to me and I have a great relationship with her, and not everyone has that.
When she died, she left all her rings and there was like one for me.
It represents the fact that I graduated and that I had a good time from my old school.
This means a lot to me because my brother told me that he cares for me and he looks up to me.
And I brought in rights because everyone has the right to know their rights.